G'day guys, Greg here. Well, I'm still on my hunt for the best fish and chips, and today it's brought me down to Varsity Lakes. Now here at Varsity Lakes there's a fish and chip shop called The Fish, and it's got a 4.4 Google star rating. So how about we go in, get their basic fish and chips, and well, see what it's like, and I'll give it my own personal Grego star rating. Rightio, well, let's go and get one. Alrighty, well, here we go, the fish and chips. Let's suss it out. Dun, 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 dun. Oh boy, that looks nice, doesn't it? So this fish and chips cost $10.70, although they did have another fish and chips, a basic bassa, for $8.80. Actually, one of the people that watches these videos came up and said g'day, so g'day back. He got the basic one. He said he quite liked it. So I thought I'd step it up and go the hokey today. And of course I got it battered. Now with this, when I was ordering, he asked if I wanted thick or thin chips. So I said, well, how about I get them both? So it's come with a tartare sauce and a couple of bits of lemon, but here's the chips here. So you can get them thin like this, or you can get them thick like this. So you get to choose what sort of chips you want. That's pretty novel. Anyway, let's try some of these chips. Now I asked for chicken salt, so hopefully it's got some. These are the sushi style, he said. Nice and thin. Right. They are too easy to eat, those things. Are these fat ones easy to eat too? Not as easy as the skinny ones. The chips, well, they're a bit average. They're not like the greatest chips I've had, but they'll do. Anyway, it's not about the chips, it's about this fish. Let's suss it out. Okay, well this batter looks pretty good. It's even got some green stuff sprinkled on top. Oop, the flies seem to like it. But that seems okay. Let's try some of this. Oh, it's got a nice crunch. It's actually got quite a nice taste, that batter. It's not overpowering. It probably could have done with a little bit more seasoning. But super light, super crunchy, with a slight greasiness about it. Anyway, let's suss out this fish. Well, that flesh looks nice and white, doesn't it? It's quite meaty as well. And this hokey is just flaking away. Oh, yum. Let's go. Yeah, that tastes pretty good. Pretty sure it's frozen, and it's got a bit of that frozen flavour and taste about it. But it's got a nice subtleness about it, and the flesh is quite firm. Let's try both together. That actually tastes like a fish finger that you get from Bird's Eye. That's the first thing that comes to my mind anyway. Anyway, it's got some lemon. How about we do the lemon test? All right. Oh yeah, baby. Seems to be soaking in nicely there. With 2 bits of lemon, I think I'll just start with one. But maybe down this end, I'll try some of this tartare sauce. Put some on the chips too. Oh no! Just went all over my pants. Ah, great. Nothing quite like some white creamy stuff on my pants. That's good. It certainly made that fish seem a little bit juicier and added a little bit more flavour to it. Yeah, that's good. Let me try some with this tartare. Well, it sounds like the seagull didn't like me to put the tartare sauce on, and well, I think he's right. So there you go, there's the fish and chips. I got the hoagie and chips. What score would I give it out of 5 stars? Well, the serving size, it's okay. It's not like massive, but it's not too small either. The piece of fish is pretty good, it's a decent size, and the chips taste pretty good as well. The battering on top's pretty good, and the flavour, well, it wasn't great, but it wasn't too bad either. Isn't that right, Mr. Seagull? So for my Grego star rating, I'll give it a 3.8 stars. The fish was pretty nice, it was pretty chunky and looked pretty clean and good. The battering, well, the batter was nice, it was really crunchy and it tasted pretty good. Could have done with some more seasoning. The chips, well, I like the skinny ones bigger than the fat ones, and they were pretty good, but all in all, it wasn't a great feed, but it was still a pretty good feed. Anyway, I didn't find the best fish and chips today. It was pretty good though, so if you do go down there, tell him Greg sent you. He might even have a clue. Anyway, I'm going to sit here and finish the rest of this off, admire the beauty of this Varsity Lakes area. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time I'm on my hunt for the best fish and chips. See you then. Oh yeah,